It's okay. God's gonna take you to the other side, buddy. Fucking car ran over him. He's fucking got his hip in the back. It's okay, buddy. Just look at the light. Go to the light, buddy, okay? Just go to the light, buddy. Okay? It's okay, buddy. Just go to the light, okay? It's okay. Life is short, buddy. You're gonna be okay, buddy. Shh, 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 Don't fight it, bro. Don't fight it. I know it's painful. I know. But it only lasts a little while. It's okay, buddy. God's taking you back home. You're gonna go be with Him. You're gonna go to heaven, buddy. Yes, you are. You're gonna go to heaven. No. Shh. Fucking bitch ass fucking cars ran over him. It's okay, buddy. Yes, I know. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. It's okay, buddy. We're gonna go to heaven. Yes, you are, buddy. Trying to get you some help. Yeah, buddy. I'm right here. 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 I'm right here with you. I'm right here with you. It's okay, buddy. I know it hurts. I know. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Yes, I know it hurts. It's okay, buddy. He got you good, okay? You're probably not gonna make it. But when you get to the other side, just go to the light, okay? Shh, no. Shh, lay down, buddy. Lay down. Shh, just lay down, okay? Lay down. It's okay, buddy. God dang, they got him good. Lay down, buddy. God damn, they fucking flattened his ass. No, no, no. Lay down, buddy. No, no. At least I got you on video, okay? It will be remembered, buddy. Yes, you will be remembered. They got hit by a car.
Huh?
They got hit by a car. Got flattened right there in the back. Yeah. It's dying. It can't really move or nothing. It's got blood coming out of its mouth.
That's our neighborhood cat right here.
Yeah.
I usually feed him most of the
See,
time.
he's done. Sad, bro. People just don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
He's wigging out. I don't know what to do for him, really.
You saw everything how it happened?
No, I was walking from the store and these two guys like pulled it out of the road kinda, and then it dragged itself over here. You have a lighter, dude.
Huh? A lighter?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do have a lighter, man. I'll be right back.
It's okay.
Here you go, man.
Thank you, dude.
Yeah, dude. Some people don't even care about animals, man. Yeah, I know this cat, man. When he was just a little tiny cat, comes meowing for some food, and I give him some ham.
I don't even know. I mean, call it that or something. I don't know, but they probably can't even save him, dude. He's probably got, since he's bleeding out of his mouth, he probably got like, see his back part?
Yeah.
Or his organs are probably crushed.
Yeah, looks like I think he's paralyzed from the waist down.
Yeah.